Hi guys, it's Len here. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own office desk using repurposed materials. Learn this. So these are the crates that I found in the pile of garbage. One of the stores have decided to throw them away. So when I looked at it closely, man, they are beautiful. So I asked my friend to help me cut them up and take them apart. After cutting them up, this is how much planks I got. See, look at this. I've got 12 planks and they are 12 to 18 inches wide and they are almost 57 inches long. I'm now cutting the tabletop for my computer desk. So the tabletop is going to be 22 by 42 inches. Right now I'm cutting off the edge to make that edge really smooth. I'm using the Craig jig to make pocket holes so I can join the two pieces of wood together. This tool is amazing, I can tell you, because once you made your pocket holes, all you need to do is put a little bit of glue in between the boards and then put the two pieces of wood together using the Craig screw. And that is way stronger than the dowel. I'm now drilling the holes for the nuts and bolts that will hold the tabletop and the table legs together. I'm putting on the temporary nuts and bolts so I can put the legs and the tabletop together, because I would like to work on the tabletop, sand it down and make it smooth. I don't want to destroy the character of the wood itself. That's why I'm using an 80 grit sandpaper, just to take off the rough part of the wood and make the corner smooth as well. I am now applying the Minwax stain and finish to protect the wood, because I want this table to last. This is how you protect them. These table legs are from a 1972 dining table which I got from my grandma. Now I'm spray painting it with Rust-Oleum flat soft iron, and I know that this will look so nice. I am now installing the permanent nuts and bolts, and let's see how beautiful this desk is. Now look at this modern rustic office desk that I just made. It looks so nice, guys. So I'm pretty sure anybody could do this. It's just like 1 plus 1. Legs plus tabletop. You know what I mean? This looks so nice. Look at that. The legs are flat black. The tabletop is modern rustic cabin wood. You know that combination? It looks so nice. So that's it for today, guys. Please hit the subscribe button because I would love to see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.